Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel Guy, and this is me Isra Ahmed from Travel Guy. In today's video, we are going to install the best plugin, which is copy paste plugin in for Premiere Pro. You can copy any image from your browser to paste it in your Premiere Pro. It is really easy how to install, so let's go. It's for free, and this video is not for any promotional content. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open any browser. For that plugin, first you need ZXP installer. So you just search ZXP installer, so you will see a website for it. Just enter it and you can see ZXP installer. Don't go for this, and here you can go ZXP installer xscripts.com. So just open it. When you open it, you will see install for OS, install or download for Windows. So you can click over there. When you click here, so just you will have to download it. So when you will see it here, just open it, and here you can see I have already installed it, so that's why it's showing me uninstalled. Just install ZXP installer. After installing this, when you come back to your browser, just open new tab and just search it here, plugin play. So you will enter it. Just when you press enter, so just plugin play website will come. Just open it here, from here or here, whether you want it, just open it. So when you open this plugin play, so it will start free now. Okay, just press it here. Just when you press start free now, so you will have to see sign in or join for free or sign up. Okay, so just I will sign in. So I have already signed in, that's why my account is showing here. Then you come to tools. Okay, after tools, here you can see a lot of plugins, but copy paste is here. Just open this. When you click it here, so you will see download option. Okay, when you download this, so menu ZXP. Okay, when you open this, so after opening ZXP, so you will see it here. When you come here to ZXP, so you will have to see a lot of things. Okay, so here is ZXP. Don't go here and there. You can see it, file and open. Okay, or control O you can press. Just open this file, and where is copy paste plugin? So here it is my one, so just open it. When you open it for first time, it will ask install. Okay, just press install, so you will have to install it. Okay, I have already installed. Let me show you. Here you can see copy paste plugin. Okay, so when you install it first for the first time, so you will have to open your Premiere Pro. After coming to your Premiere Pro, first of all, what you will have to do is open Windows extension and copy paste. When you open this, so it is your plugin menu. Just wait for it, so it will open. Okay, oh, it need enter license. Okay, just enter your license. So where you will find the license, just go back to your browser. So when you come back, just open your account like this, click on account. So after clicking on your account, so you will see here a license key. Just copy this license key and come to Premiere Pro and paste it here. Okay, just submit it, and after submitting your license key, so you will see you have submitted. Now here it is copy and paste. Okay, so let's open any image from the browser. Now it is a car, or you need it from here. Just copy image and come here and paste, so you will see the image. Okay, now you have see the image. Okay, so come back. You need another image in your Premiere, so it's really easy, this plugin. Okay, just like the video, share it with your friends, so it will be really helpful for me. So this image has been brought in Premiere. Okay, so it's really easy. Please like the video, share it with your friends, and must subscribe the channel to help me. Thanks, have a great day, bye.